How to log into your old Navi credit card account online. So let's get started. So to log into your old Navi credit card account online, just head over to your oldnavi.gap.com, and once you're inside here, just tap on this hamburg icon at the top left corner. You can also actually use the application itself. So in this example, I'm showing you from an online. So just tap on this sign in or join button at the top right next to the cross section, and from over here you just have to enter your email address as well as your registered password which you used in the registration process of this old Navi account. So once you successfully enter your email, just click on continue, and from over here you just have to enter your first name, last name, and create a password if you haven't already. So currently I haven't logged into my account, that's why it's showing me to register account. So once you fill out all of the details, you can just click on this create account to actually create a new account. And once you do all of that, you should be successfully logged into your old Navi credit card account online. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.